Hi everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you'll find many art tutorials on how to draw Disney characters and also time-lapse drawing videos for your enjoyment. I do a lot of videos where I show you guys actually how I draw certain Disney characters, but I also do time-lapse videos which are sped up drawing videos with music behind them. I draw characters from the main Disney studios / franchises, including but not necessarily limited to Walt Disney Animation Studios, Pixar, Star Wars, and Marvel Studios, which is my personal favorite. If this interests you, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. See y'all later.